What is Ramadan? Understanding the holiest month in Islam. Ramadan is a holy month in the Islamic calendar that is observed by millions of Muslims worldwide. In this video, we will explore what Ramadan is, why it is important, and how it is celebrated. Ramadan is a time of fasting, prayer, and reflection. It is believed to be the month when the first verses of the Quran were revealed to the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, over 1,400 years ago. During Ramadan, Muslims fast from dawn until sunset. This means that they do not eat or drink anything, including water, during daylight hours. This is a time for self-discipline and self-reflection, as well as a time to focus on spiritual growth. At sunset, Muslims break their fast with a meal called iftar. This is typically a communal meal shared with family and friends, and it is a time of celebration and gratitude. Ramadan is also a time for giving to those in need. Muslims are encouraged to give to charity during this month, and it is common to see increased charitable giving and community service during this time. Finally, Ramadan is a time for prayer and reflection. Muslims are encouraged to spend more time in prayer and to read the Quran during this month. It is also a time to seek forgiveness and to strengthen one's relationship with God. In conclusion, Ramadan is a holy month in the Islamic calendar that is observed by millions of Muslims worldwide. It is a time for fasting, prayer, reflection, and giving. It is a time to strengthen one's relationship with God and to focus on spiritual growth. Thank you for watching.